Hello, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden, and today we're talking about euphorbias. Euphorbias is a large selection of plants that look pretty much identical until you start just getting a little bit closer to them. This one over here, for instance, I'm looking at, I got 3 red ones in the front of the house, and I say, gee, they're all the same. But if you take a little closer look, I'll show you something that really has struck out here. See, the flowers, unique. And on this one, almost all the stems are of a greenish color. And I said, let me just compare them to this other Euphorbia that's over here. And as we get a little bit closer, we notice the same type of stems. But what is unique about this Euphorbia is the fact that the lack of a proper term, the branch that holds it up over here, as you can see, is a reddish color. So that struck me, gee, that's not unique. Not, when we say unique, it's unique to this plant, but each Euphorbia has one difference, not a difference, but basically a characteristic that makes it different from another Euphorbia. So I'm going to show you the third version, and I thought all the 3 were the same, but what's unique about this Euphorbia is the starkness of the red on the branch. And I said, gee, I thought this Euphorbia was similar to that Euphorbia. But as you can see, that Euphorbia, the blooms are not as dominant as they are in this Euphorbia, and the coloration is rather a darker color red. And the other thing that struck me immediately when I just noticed this yesterday is the actual thorns on the side of the thing. They're like, each set of thorns is clustered in a section, I think about 3 or 4. But that is a unique difference compared to the other 2 Euphorbias. So let me just get back here a little more and show you the cream colored Euphorbias as we step to the back of the garden. And here's my cream colored Euphobias. That's like number 4 of the version. And I have another one sitting right back there. No colors at the moment, but it is unique. Now, let me just go in the back and I'll show you the king size version. And sorry for all the craziness here, but one has to walk through the garden to get my little noise machine over here. But let me just show you, I had a quick trip to my son's house yesterday, and I picked up that Euphorbia, is another version, and this one was a smaller version, but all of the stems were very small, and I didn't get to see any color of the flowers, so odds are it's either going to be red or cream color. Now let me just get back over here and show you, there's another color Euphorbia over here, and there's another pinkish color. Here's another cream color, and I have another one floating around here someplace. There's another baby cream color, but let me just show you the last one that I'll cover here when I get here without falling on myself and getting killed. Is I guess the mother of the Euphorbia is not the mother, but more correct to say for size. And as you can see, this is the color. Let me get better over here because you get a nice view of it. This is the largest one that I have. There's another one in the back over there, but not as large. But if you look at the thorns, basically each set of Euphorbias has a different thorn. And look at the redness of the. Let me get over here so I can give you a better idea. There it is. There's the redness, a dark red color on this larger version. So that's my little trip around the garden with the Euphorbias, because we have quite a few of them. And rather striking, but these little things get old, so you just take them off. Pardon the coconuts in the back, waiting to see if any of them germinate. All right, and here's the other Euphorbia. So we'll take, if anybody's interested in following up there, have any questions, let me know. But I'm going to concentrate for the next couple of months on trying to find a source that can actually tell me the difference, because there's a lot of people on there with information on euphorbias, but most of them don't have information on euphorbias. My idea is just took me a while to get the euphorbia. It took me a long time to find a thornless euphorbia, and I finally found that through the National Garden Association. A nice person was able to give me a name of the actual thornless euphorbia. So this is just from the Dougherty Garden, showing you part of the Euphorbia collection. And I recently had a trip to my son's house, and I found a few other versions of Euphorbia, so I'm waiting to see what they look like. So if you get a chance, please stop by, give a like to the garden, Dougherty's Garden, and please subscribe so this way I can get a better camera. I want it attached to the head so I can free fall with my fingers and touch these things. I don't like holding the camera and just looking at stuff because it doesn't translate properly. And like I said, once again, thank you for stopping by the Dougherty Garden. And probably real pretty goodness. Hard to rationalize that the same plant puts out a Christmas plant, which is also in the Euphorbia family, poinsettia. Thank you for stopping by. Please like and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.